Welcome back traders and investors. Let's review the recent US CPI trade setup and explore how the market performed around the supply and demand zones before and after the release of the US CPI data. The US CPI report for April 2023 has created significant volatility in the market, providing excellent trade opportunities. The pre-calculated trading zones have proven useful, with the stock indices trading within these zones. Gold futures retreated below the critical line of 2037, and the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 indices have both experienced similar trends. Before the release of the US CPI report, gold futures fell below the critical line of 2037 but subsequently breached this level and reached the 2052 resistance level before pulling back to the 2030 support line. Gold futures ultimately closed the US session around the 2037 line. The critical levels of 2037 and 2024 remain crucial and should be monitored closely. Similarly, the S&P 500 fell below the 4120–4125 support zone before the release of the CPI data but later broke through two critical zones and reached 4158 before pulling back to 4102. The index eventually reclaimed the lost territory and closed around the 4145 and 4140 trading zone. The major support zone to watch is at 4145 and 4140 and resistance at 4158 and 4163. In comparison, the Nasdaq 100 index fell pre-CPI data release to the 13,120 and 13,144 support zone, followed by a bounce back after the data was released. The index surged past two major zones and reached 13,370 before returning to the 13,207 and 13,231 zones for the second leg up to 13,382. The critical support zone to watch is between 13,318 and 13,295, while the resistance zone is at 13,406 and 13,382. For those interested in using the pre-calculated supply and demand zone system, it is available on popular platforms such as MetaTrader 5 MT5 and MetaTrader 4 MT4. Additional details are available in the comment section of this video. To stay ahead of major price movements, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and remain up to date with the latest developments. Thank you for watching and happy trading.